This is the Canadian Pacific Burnham Railroad Swing Bridge. It's a worn through truss bobtail swing bridge. That's the other one with a counterweight too. And it's a bobtail swing worn through truss swing bridge over the Milwaukee River Canal, located in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. And this bridge also swings aside for ships and boats, and closes for rail traffic. And see, you got the express bridge, and it's under this bridge right here. So, and see, Milwaukee is next to Chicago because Milwaukee has a lot of drawbridges. And so, there's some already on YouTube right now, and I'm gonna, put some more on YouTube because of my drawings and everything. So I have everything I did is paid off. So yeah, so look at this. I believe it's a center bearing swing type. So yeah, so this is Canadian Pacific Burnham Railroad Swing Bridge located in Milwaukee, Wisconsin.